Indian gymnast Pranati Nayak on Saturday clinched a bronze medal in the vault final at the FIG Artistic Gymnastic Apparatus World Cup in Antalya, Turkey. The 29-year-old, who also represented the country at the Tokyo Olympics, came up with a total score of 13.417 in the vault final to finish third. Pranati is the third Indian gymnast to win an international medal on the vault after Deepa Karmarkar, 2018 Mersin Gold, 2018 Cottbus Bronze, and Aruna Reddy, 2018 World Cup in Melbourne. After coming to the helm of affairs at the centre, the Modi-led NDA government has given a special emphasis to sports through its policies and programs. The Khelo India program that has been introduced to revive the sports culture in the country at grassroots level helped build a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. One remembers how even coming close to a medal in international sporting events was once a dream for India. P.T. Usha lost a medal in athletics by a whisker in 1984 Los Angeles Olympics. Sports were then never a priority by governments in power at center, but it was only post-2014 that India fast emerged as a force in a reckoning at international platforms. In recent Paris Olympics 2024, India won 6 medals, with Manu Bhakar becoming the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal in shooting. Making sports part of daily habit, PM also launched Fit India movement on 29th of August 2019 with a view to make fitness an integral part of our daily lives. The mission of the movement is to bring about behavioral changes and move towards a more physically active lifestyle. There is no denial to the fact that cricket has over the years completely overshadowed other sports in the country. Efforts have been made by the centre to ensure that other sports disciplines get due patronage and encouragement. A lot of emphasis has been given to the development of sports infrastructure. A large number of new training facilities have come up. World-class multi-sports facilities have come up at various places in the country. Schemes like Khelo India and Target Olympic Podium Scheme, known as TOPS, have helped sportsmen like Manu Bhakar, Neeraj Chopra and others winning medals in Olympics. Besides Khelo India, TOPS is the Indian Sports Ministry's flagship scheme aimed at identifying potential Olympic medal winners and helping them through financial assistance, mainly for competition, training and overseas exposure. India today getting its due honor in the sphere of sports thanks to the Modi government. There is no doubt the way centre is promoting sports, the golden days for Indian sports have just begun.